Yeah, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel again. So today I'm going to review this Pixel Experience ROM. So that was released on 25th December. This is a stable version. So as you can see here, this ROM like boots pretty fast, and the boot animation was same as the Pixel Experience one only. And you have to press the enter while for the pin code entering. Now let me show you the fingerprint also. As you can see here, this was the animation as you can see. Now let me show you the settings panel also. This is the notification panel, and so for the settings, let me show you the Android version also, so that you can be very sure कि this is the Pixel Experience and it is running on Android 12. Let me show you. This is how the notification panel, like settings panel, looks like in that Android version. And as you can see here, this is the play update of 12, and this is the Pixel Experience, and kernel is perf, and the is December patch Android security update. Now, the first look of this room will be like it's a pretty smooth room, as you can see, key, and that is what expected from the Pixel Experience. Key, it must be a smooth room. Now, this is in settings panel, and let me show you the one thing that I was very confused on was the banking application. Yes, so I have installed the Paytm as well as the Google Pay, and these are like working perfectly fine. There are no issues, and so this is the safety net passed, and also it has the wide one L1 support also. And I haven't run the any benchmarks yet, but I'll be running it soon. If you like it, uh, just drop it in the comment section. Now for that notification, like I'm playing this music and you can see how the notification panel is handling up. You should definitely listen to that music. It's a very great music. Yeah, it's a very great song. Yeah, anyway, this is the camera by default. That is the open camera basically, and that is the Google camera that I've installed. That is the Gcam. Now for the recording feature, earlier it was in the like the beta one, it was not having that, but here it is responding perfectly fine. The transcript is available, and also the recording is happening. Just switch on to the phone one, and you can see here. So yeah, hello, this is me. Yes. So this is able to play perfectly fine and also able to record this. For the microphone, I haven't found any issues for the microphone. Yeah, you can also like disable for microphone access or for the camera access. You can do that, and so yes. Apart from this, as it is a Pixel Experience ROM, so for the like Android 11 one, I found that it was having that Pixel unlimited photos in the storage one, but here it is not having. So yeah, you have to sacrifice that thing. Here you can see here in the display section, maximum and the minimum budget are available now. So you can switch between the 60 to 90 and 120. I have done to like 90 hertz so that it can be medium. For the gesture also, this is the one-handed mode as you can do here also. But for the screenshot, three swipe screenshot is not present. So for that, you have to do. You can do the volume and the power button. So that was working perfectly fine. Now for the battery, I have installed this around like at 79 something. Until now, 10% of battery is only consumed, and I have been using it continuously. So yeah, you can get the gist of what is the battery. For the data section, the data and the Wi-Fi have been moved to the internet tile, so you can switch from here only. Now for the Bluetooth is this one, and for the more, these are the tiles available. As you can see here, yeah. So let me show you the widgets also. There are all the widgets are working perfectly fine. The clock widgets, I have tested every one of them, and yeah, so I have switched on this one 139. Now for the wallpaper, I really like those wallpaper catalog. As you can see here, the themed icons are working fine. Dark mode is perfectly fine. If you want to switch it off, you can do that also. And yeah, notification will be only black, and all of the things will become white. Yeah. So now let me show you the. wallpaper section. So these are the wallpapers. All of the bloom section of the wallpapers are there. I like the prefer the live wallpaper. So these are the live wallpaper, and this is the I like this one. The concept of this is basically like so gives the San Francisco. I don't know why I have to set the location maybe. Then these are the colors that you can change. Like see, as you can see, it becomes the green to lavender one. So yeah, you can change these things. These are this like this is this third, and this is this wallpaper is also the color and the color gradient is like very much interesting over here. Now let me show you the call also. So yeah, so this is like the default one only. And this is the Google call. This is the calculator, and you can see here the animation of this are pretty strong, and also the color gradient has changed to all of the system wide settings. Yeah, the one thing that I was very confused key like the system icons and the font size a little larger than this. This is a storage and yeah, storage is storage only, and this is a security check. Now for the disadvantage section, like the con section, basically it is not having any app lock, so that you may get it if you have used the Pixel experience. And also the data indicator is also not present here. I have installed the external third party, and third party is working perfectly fine. It has no issues. But yeah, data network usage is not there, and app lock. These two things, if what was having, I would have like switched to this room. But now I'm definitely using the only the EU room, and it has been like around like 2 weeks, and I'm definitely liking this because of the stock camera that was present. And here like the Google camera was perfectly fine. In some lighting it works, but for the selfies and all, like the stock camera is the go-to thing. Yes. Anyway, if you want to like install this ROM, you can install this. You can try it, but I won't be like recommending you this ROM yet because like just wait for the plus one experience plus, so that you can get like the network one, and also the what we say, the three guest swipe one also. So for that. You can wait for that. Otherwise, if you are do not want to, you can use this Pixel experience stable build also. This is working perfectly fine. This has no issue. The battery, the recording, the microphone, all the basic stuff, so you can get it. If you want like more features, then you can switch to Dovefest. Dovefest is also like good. Like I would rate Dovefest like for around like 8 to 9, and this would I be rating to like 7.5. So yeah, it's a very close match. So as you can see, let me run this safety net also, so you can get the gist ki yeah, safety net is passed and I'm not telling any lie. Yes. So anyway, this was my first impression of this Pixel room. I'll be sharing my long term. If you want, you can comment below. Thank you guys, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.